Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a MegaPix Fex multi-directional IP camera. In case you're having any issues like the camera is not responding or not working right or not connecting. A lot of these troubleshooting issues can be fixed with a simple hard reset. Now this will restore the factory default settings. So any settings that you've put in place, any connections that you've set up, you'll need to redo these. But if you're okay with doing this, all we need to do is get on the back side of the camera, on the top side of the camera. And if we look in here, right in here, we have this factory reset button. Now you'll need like a pen or a paper clip or something like that to push it. And what you want to do is you want to push and hold that button for 5 seconds. So you can hold it for at least 5 seconds, so maybe a couple extra seconds just to be sure. Once you do that, that will initiate the reset process. Wait a few seconds for it to finish, at which point you can set the camera back up as though it were a new camera coming out of the box.